Hello, this is Richie Harder and welcome to the video how to concatenate using Microsoft Excel. I will make this video short and sweet. When we concatenate, we take two columns, say column C and column D, and we want to take the values in these two columns and put them together into one cell. I want to put June and Hill into the cell E, E1. So let's get started. I choose the cell that I want as the target cell, which is E1. I go up to FX, Insert Function, left click, and so I get an Insert Function box. Here it says type a brief description of what you want to do and then click Go. Well, here I have concatenate here at the top, but let's say it was not at the top, it was not on the list. I will type in concatenate. Click Go, and there it is, singled out for me. So now I click OK, and a function's argument box comes up. Now what I will do is, in the text 1 box, I will click C1, June. Then I will go down and click the inside of text 2 box, and I will click up here D1, Hill. Now you see when I click this box here, text 2 box, text 3 box also appeared. That means if I had all these columns filled in, I can concatenate as many columns as I want to if I'm set up for that. Okay, now I only want to concatenate June and Hill. So I've chosen my cells and the text boxes, and now I click OK. When I click OK, you will see that June Hill is now concatenated in E1. But you'll see that there's no space in June and Hill. So what I do up here is, in this formula, concatenate in parentheses C1, comma D1, just after the comma, I will put in quotation marks and then a space, and then another set of quotation marks, and then a comma. And I will click Enter. Now you see June Hill, there's a space. Now I could also type in an extra space if I wanted to here, but I just want one space. Okay, June Hill. Now if I want to affect the other ones, get rid of this magnifying glass. I want to affect the other rows and columns. I simply left click on the drag part of a cell, the lower right hand corner, drag down, and there you go. The other cells are also concatenated. And they also, each one of them has a space. But you see, these have simple values, and these have formulas. What if, for whatever reason, I wanted to copy these and paste them somewhere else or use these, and I didn't want a formula in these cells at all? So what I do is left click, Control C, copy all of these, and I want to copy the contents into this column here. Right click to paste. I use Special, I choose Values, click Values, then click OK. Now you see, each one of these is simply the values. Over here you have formulas, over here you have values. I can get rid of this very simply by right-clicking and deleting the whole column. And that's all there is to concatenating. That's about it. I won't go into any further detail. You got the basic gist of it. And see you later until the next video. Bye-bye.